let's say you're running a construction business or you want to get attention and you're running just this business that, doesn't necessarily need a personal brand. Well, this is like an example of a profile that I'm going to show you. These guys sell detached homes that you build in the backyard. It's like in California, there's like this rule that allows you to have a second like flat or build, and then you can rent it out. And what this guy did, he figured out a way to find a format that triggers everybody. Everybody's like, oh, this is AI. Like this something here. So like speed run, speed roll, add a bunch of assets. Um, and this gets everybody triggered saying like, hey, um, well, at this point, I think people can't even recognize it's AI. Horrible, serious congestion. No, thank you. But look at this here. This guy asks, hey, comment ADU, and then we're going to send you a free feasibility study. So it's like their lead magnet. And Mrs. D. Sanchez commented. Boxing Mommy commented. Uh, commented. Escalante commented. And you'd be surprised, but if you were advertising in California to sell these things, it would be the same leads you would be getting. Okay. So they're almost like there's now these markets, these visual artifacts of AI. So like what I just showed you guys earlier was like, okay, it's like a person-based content. Well, if you're changing roofs, if you're building something physical, renovating, why just have AI create everything? Okay. So we've been able to recreate the same exact format of content, and you can just flood the scroll all day, every day, and get leads for close to free. And you guys can see the impressions: 400,000 views, 22,000 views, 31,000 views, 50,000 views, 384,000 views, 389,000 views, 75,000, 50,000 views. Imagine if, let's say they stop making it AI creatives, but then they retarget everyone who's visited this profile with an actual person talking and giving them an offer. The cost of attention and the cost per lead would be like 1/10 of the traditional cost per lead, because they already have everyone who visited. You can retarget them with ads and have your cost per lead be almost free. Okay. So two sides: either faceless AI, you go this route here, or you can have a clone of someone else, of an avatar. That's one side here. Or you can clone yourself if you wanted to, and have essentially the formats that I showed you guys earlier, where you put yourself in the shoes of the asset and the messaging that already worked, and then run with it. Okay. Now, conversions, really simple. Preferably happens through retargeting, or it happens through the DMs. Retarget people to a DM or to a specific funnel. And the funnel can be, it can be a VSL funnel, can be a webinar funnel, it can be a application funnel, it can be whatever. It can be even, hey, DM me this keyword and I'll give you this. DMs works really simple. Qualify, nurture with a sales asset, and then make the offer.